Hello, everybody. Welcome back for week 27. So, this week we are wrapping up our overhand throwing. So, for your activities this week, you've got this warm up, and we all know that St. Patrick's Day is coming. So, your warm up is going to be find the leprechaun, complete the exercise that you think the leprechaun is hiding behind, earn 3 points for every correct guess. So, you're going to go through and do that for your warm up. Then you are going to do this activity, which is a review of overhand throwing with a activity involved. So that's exactly what we're doing here. We are reviewing our overhand throwing, followed up by an activity where we have to hit our target, which is exactly pretty much the same thing you're doing here and this activity, just different equipment. And then here is another activity where you can work on target practice, overhand throwing. And that wraps up your week 27 of e-learning. So I hope that you guys have a great spring break next week and enjoy your time off, get some rest, stay healthy, make good choices, eat well. And I look forward to seeing you guys after spring break with our new unit of instruction. All right, have a great time today, and I'll see you after spring break. Bye.